Hello, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to send snap without media upload on Snapchat. Now, media upload is actually a label that is going to be shown on your snap. Due to the fact that you are selecting it from your camera roll, it was not actually taken live. So in order for you to actually send a snap to someone without the pics or snap having the media upload label on it, this is what you can simply do. So right here on the screen is your Snapchat app. In order for you to actually do that, you need to expand this option like this, and you're going to see other options. Looking here on the screen, you can see the option of director mode. So if you click on director mode like this, you're going to be able to see the option of import media. That is the gallery icon right here. So if you click on that and select memories, you're going to be able to select photos from your Snapchat. Click on OK like this, then go ahead and click on preview. Now you can go ahead and click on send like this and send it to your story or to someone. You can send it to your story, you can send it to someone like this and click on send, and it is going to be shared to that person or to your story without showing the media upload label on it. So this is how simple it is to send snap without media upload on Snapchat. We found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. So if you are trying this yet it is not working out for you, you can simply go to your Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Update your Snapchat app. Alright guys, see you in the next one.